Hello, Honourable Lubabalo here. Today is Nkululeko Senior Secondary School, Upper Unique in the Eastern Cape. Today is the official launch of this newly built facility created by the Honourable Oscar Mabuyane with the Executive Deputy Mayor of the Nelson Mandela Bay. Join me as we take a look at this great milestone.
Isikolo esethu sine classroom, normal classroom ezi-27 kwakunye ne-library, science center, what is this, lab, science lab, multimedia center kwakunye ne-computer lab, inayo ne-nutrition center, sinayo ne-netball field esinayo apho. Otherwise we have enough classroom. If you were to compare the school that we're in and this one, the learners will be more motivated than they were. The school where we got 84.5 was the worst school in terms of building and facilities around KwaNobuhle. I'm sure all the learners here, starting from grade 8 up until grade 12, they are motivated by what is happening and what they have got from the government. Izakhiwo ezitsha ezithe zazakhelwa ngurhulumente zizabanika abantwana umdla omkhulu kunalo bebenawo. If bunojonga isakhiwo besinaso emva kule minyaka ipheleyo besinganiki simdla, kodwa ke baqhubile abantwana ubona sifumana 84.5% nje basuke ebunzimeni sisabenza bafumane even more. Sinomnqweno and siyazi ba ingenzeka loo nto. The talks started in 2015 when the departmental official came to the school to report that there will either be a building of a new school or renovations. If there were to be renovations, we would have been in the old premises, then they would have do the touch-up. But the SMT of the school didn't want a school that will be renovated. They wanted a new school, and they said that the government must use our sport field to create a new school while we await for the process to unfold. Then in 2017, the project started. Yes, there were many stoppages during the process. It took us 6 years to get the actual school in 2023. Otherwise, we are excited about the building of the school.
Excited, you see the people of KwaNobuhle of a project like this. It's a developmental initiative. This school is one of those schools that were started just after the 1994 democratic breakthrough. So when we speak about things that have been done in this country, we speak about schools like this. So many think that nothing has been done every day as you listen, people speaking. We speak about things like this. This school has been here, but now we have taken this school to another level, as you can see. Putting up about 81 million investment that will cover this number of classrooms, laboratories, science and computer lab.
Okay, we feel excited. We've been waiting for this moment. If I can remember, the last time we were told that we were going to get a new school, it was 2017. And then everything stopped after that. But the Premier, as well as the MEC, they made sure that the school will be finished. So now today we are opening, the school is being handed over. That's why siziva sisonwabe ngolu hlobo. And guess what? Ngalo nyaka sifumana isikolo esitsha, kulo nyaka sibuye no 84.5% for grade 12. That's why city. Hey, I don't want to promise anything, but we are aiming for 90%. Yes.
Thank you very much. Okay, mshana msibaninzi sijoinile silapha eNkululeko. Ngicela kamani briefly of what you know senza nona eNkululeko namhlanje.
Today sizovula isikolo sethu esitsha. Today abantu baka department abase parliament balapha bazoxhasa nathi kuba sivula isikolo sethu esitsha. Since 1995 dala inkululeko yakhona ingazange ikhiwe, so silapha sisonke sizovula isikolo sethu esitsha.
Thank you very much.